Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Interior Stories. If you are watching this episode for the first time, then please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon as well. Today's episode, I am going to give you an idea which you can apply to your any accent wall. Yes, I will show you how you can make a 3D mural art at your accent wall. Today, I am going to make this work on one of my bedroom wall. And you can say this is my entertainment world. So before start this video, I want to make a small announcement, that is, if you are living in Hyderabad and looking for a makeover, then please do let me know in comment section, or you can mail me in my mail ID which is given in the description box also, or you can directly DM me on Instagram pages. So after that I will contact you and will reach you at your home with my team to give you the best makeover. Currently the wall is looking like this. Previously I made two wall stickers over the switchboards, and you can see the two shelves over here, that is for my sound system, woofer, Wi-Fi, set-top box, all these things. And you can also watch a TV hanger over here. Yes, this is my bedroom's entertainment wall. So it should have a great makeover, right? So whenever we plan to paint a wall, the first and foremost thing we have to do is sanding the whole wall and clean up the damped area and treatment it. After that we can proceed for the paint. Okay, let's unmount the shelves. I should do it first. Yeah. To prepare the putty paste, you just need to maintain the proportion of putty and water, that is 4:1 ratio. That's it. You know, from my very childhood, I am known as a jugaru person. There are so many times when I don't have the actual thing to do a work. So, what can I do? I am always ready with my alternate ideas. So here I don't have the putty plate to do the job in professional manner, so I am managing it with the plastic card. Yes, I can do with this, and if you try, you can also. Now the putty is completely dry and ready to apply the paint. Before that, I have to rub the surface and smoothen up. Covering up the switchboards with masking tape to save them from the stains. I have chosen a very light sky shade. Basically, apply the budget-friendly method. Prepare this shade by mixing few drops of blue stainer with white plastic paint and mixed it well with water, and it's ready to apply. I am staying at a rented apartment, and thanks to my landlord I have the permission to do whatever I want. But still I have some limitations. That is, I can disturb the main structure of this flat, and yes, I have some budget also, as this is not my own property, you know. But my motto is always to show you how you can do the most beautiful thing within a constant budget or within external limitations. So I have never compromised with this thought, and I'm promising you that you will get a best makeover within a minimum budget. And today's video you are going to have this kind of idea. So no more delay, let's proceed to the video. Let's do something fun with this pillar. This pillar is also slightly damped and damaged. But now I am going to share you my next jugaru idea. It's quite possible that you don't want to do this much of hard work or invest in your rented property, but the damaged wall is sucking your impression. So what you can do? That's magic I am going to show you. Just choose any pattern which can easily cover your damaged area and just draw the figures by covering up the damaged area and few more to balance the design. Now simply paint them in different contrasting colors. It will give you a pop-up look also. Now tell me one thing, how many of you can do the cake icing or you can able to do mehendi work? If you are able to handle a cone, then definitely you can do what I am going to show you. For this 3D putty work, I need a spatula and a palette. So in my local area, I was not able to find those things also. And yes, I could do it order from online, but I didn't have the time that much. So my next Jugaadu idea, and it is the best idea I can say. Most of us using the plastic coasters. I have taken 2 plastic glass coaster and cut it one in a spatula shape and the second one I am using as a palette. And the most important jugaad is this piping bag. For this I have taken a plastic pouch and a cake nozzle. That's it. I have made the piping bag, put the putty in it and it's ready to use. Now you don't need to worry about drying the putty and you can easily apply it on wool. So let's start. I am applying the putty on the wool as you can see, and with the palette I am spreading the putty and finishing the edges with my handmade spatula. Here the stems are ready. Now time to paint some leaves. Very easy, just shape the putty with a regular spoon. That's it. This putty now hard enough to make some detailing. So I am using a barbecue stick to do the job. After completing the basic structure, now how it is. But something still missing. Let's draw birds to give some character over here. Finishing touches I am giving with my spatula. any 3D structure always get its maximum exposure and the maximum highlight effect when we can use the light properly. So here in this rented property, what I can do in the minimum budget, that's I am going to show you. I am fixing a LED light strip and it will be hidden behind my TV. I need one more light effect to highlight the stems part of this design. As I have some limitations, I have to compromise a little bit with my dreamed design. But I have some ideas to highlight this section over here. Let me show you that. I have made a simple wooden setup, as you can see, just covering the front side with the jute rope to give an extra look. Now I am attaching a warm yellow tube light of 1 feet and joining the connections. Let's fix the shelves again. Still something is missing. Let's paint the bars and it will definitely bring the X factor I am looking for. Now the wall makeover part is complete. Now I am going to place all the stuffs and we'll do a little bit styling over here. Here I am using this basket to hide the extra wire, Wi-Fi, etc. and keeping a plant to enhance the look. These pom-pom strings are to hide these bad looking wares, and it's also complementing the color scheme I have used here. So here is the final look. Now let's see the night mode. I hope you have enjoyed this whole video and have a great idea to do something new by your own at your own place. So if you like this idea, then please do subscribe the channel, like, share and let me know your inquiries, suggestions and opinions in the comment section. You can connect with me in Instagram also. I am regularly uploading my personal life, my backstage photos and about my upcoming projects. So we will meet in our next video and I will try to bring something more interesting for you. Till then, take care.